Hey, check 1 2 1 2. What's going on, guys? What's going on? We are live. It's Tuesday night. We're just gonna do a quick live stream. We are going to be. Hey, what's going on? Welcome to Dan O Crypto. Smash up the likes, hit the like button, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. Tweet this out to the world. Get that link. I'm gonna put the link in the chat here. Let me know where you're watching from. We are going to be getting into Bitcoin news. We're going to be talking about how the alts are primed to pump on a lot of news coming out that Gary Gensler is on his way out. The SEC is going to be restructured with 6 chairs, where there can't be a power structure where the system can be manipulated and there can be better regulation. So here we go. Gonna put that in the chat there. Yeah, so let's get into it. Let's see here. First off, let's look what Litecoin just posted 3 minutes ago. A video has surfaced showing future SEC Chairman Gensler telling an audience of institutional investors that 4 cryptocurrencies, including Litecoin, are not securities. So let's see if we can find this video. So SEC's Gensler seen telling hedge funds that Ethereum and Litecoin are not securities. In 2018 video surfaces here. So a new video has surfaced showing future Securities and Exchange Commission Chairman Gensler telling an audience of institutional investors that 4 cryptocurrencies are not securities, and that 75% of the overall crypto market at the time was outside that legal category. So let's see. Let's check out this video here.
You're a taxing authority and you want to know who has a gain or loss, or you're a securities regulator and you want to protect against market abuses, they're a real gateway. And so when I go around the globe, I say to regulators, get the crypto exchanges. You'll do this whole debate about initial coin offerings and what's a security and what's not a security. Over 70% of the crypto market is Bitcoin, Ether,
All right, keep going. Let's buffer in here. What happened? We'll refresh it. Yeah, so in that video, it's just, basically him explaining, that these are not securities, and now he is contradicting himself in his role of power. So that's what we're having issues with here, guys. So let's see if we have any viewers in. We're gonna pop out the chat so that I can keep up and see if anyone is popping in. Would love for you guys to pop in and say what's up. Let's see, get that chat over here. And okay, so yeah, let's get into some Bitcoin news. So Bitcoin has been completely, obviously taken over by the Ben Foundation and the BitBoy crypto team and Ben Armstrong. And so if we go to the link tree here, we can see that it's got a nice clean look. We have a link tree going to if you want to be an ambassador, partnership applications, joining the Discord server, which is right here, and seems pretty active. Just got into it, and you can go and on their Twitter here, follow the Twitter, and you can join also the Telegram, and then also where to buy. And you can get linked up on the Gecko terminal here. Now we can see that the price right now has seen in the hourly has gone up a good 3%, 5%, and we've seen a 2% drop here, and then we have a 1.7% gain currently right now. Apparently, according to Ben, if we go to the tweets here, let's see, some big buys came in for Bitcoin. So I wonder if there's some big news coming. And then, so something that happened with Ben recently, if we're talking about Ben News, his Twitter account was hacked. And it apparently a couple of big accounts recently got hacked, and it seemed like it was all connected with the same people. So Ben said that, you know, it was Verizon. It was a Verizon employee that did a SIM card switch and was able to get access to his Twitter account, and then proceeded to post these links that scam people, you know, into, you know, clicking the link, and then got scammed out of a lot of money. So yeah, so that's just a lesson to you guys. You don't want to click links that you're not fully vetting and making sure that you're not clicking on something that you're going to get scammed. It's really easy for that to happen, and it happens to the best of us. So you just have to make sure you're watching what you're clicking, especially on Twitter. You know, Twitter's full of scams, full of fake projects, copy pages. You know, that's why Twitter is implementing, you know, a lot of different verification systems, and you know, you just have to make sure you're clicking on the right stuff, guys. All right, so if we keep getting into Bencoin news here and just keeping up with what's happening with Bencoin, so a person has been brought on to the team. If you're familiar with this person, you've probably seen this image. This is ben.eth, and he has been on a lot of Twitter Spaces when it comes to talking about NFTs and advising in the Web3 space, and has had a lot of good, you know, insight and knowledge to what has been happening in the realm of the crypto Twitter space. So BitBoy Crypto and the Duchess of DeFi are excited to announce ben.eth has joined Ben Nation as an advisor. His wealth of experience and expertise will no doubt be invaluable. Join us in extending a warm welcome. So let's see, going into the Twitter, if this is well received. You know, super excited about the journey and opportunity. Borvik said congrats my guy, congrats, a lot of congrats. Yeah, so looks like it got, you know, very well received, and so that is cool, good in the Ben Nation. And so the whole point of the Ben coin is to build this advocacy, education, transparency, and representation, you know, the 4 pillars of the coin. So with the advocacy, it's basically just, you know, having mass adoption and awareness into crypto. And the education side is just to get people that are wanting to, you know, feel comfortable of getting into crypto. They have to be educated. They have to feel like they're not getting into something that is all, you know, it's just a scam, and, you know, it's just to, and then also to then, you know, build transparency in what, you know, this project is doing and how they're moving. And representation is a big thing, you know. So if something is going to be mainstream adopted and it's going to succeed, you know, it has to have good representation. So I think that's what is happening right now. This big news, you know, according into the Discord, if we go into announcements, you know, we have officially announced 1 advisor. We're meeting with 2 other candidates over the next 2 weeks in DC and in Dubai. We just closed a partnership, but waiting for them to finish testing. Closing an additional partnership deal Monday in DC, which will then be announced shortly after. And currently working on 2 exchanges listings. Because of what the SEC has done, exchanges are requiring more to get listed. So I wonder what those exchanges are. I wonder. So currently right now, if we look at Bencoin and we look at the DEX and we see, if we go to the coin market cap here and we look at the markets it is currently listed on with the most trading volume on the past 24 hours, we have BitGet, we have Uniswap, we have Bitmart, and LBank. So LBank has been kind of picking up traction, accordance with, you know, it has more volume than MEXC. MEXC is definitely a popular platform, but out of all of them, you know, BitGet is definitely seeing the most traction. And you know, if we were going into the trading view here, we can look at the price movement, and we probably want to look at this on the hourly so we can get a little bit more data here, some price data. So we can see here, kind of almost every coin, meme, not a meme coin, but all these altcoins right now are definitely took a major hit. You can see here on June, this is let's see, June 11th here, so it's 13th, so we saw a really big downturn here. was almost 20%. And then from there, if we go in, we're up now 14% from that 20%. So we still have some movement to the upside. But if you look, all-time high here, if we're looking at all-time high movements, we could be seeing 345% back to its all-time high. And so right now is a really good time to dollar cost average. It's going to take some time to get to those points, to those price levels. But with a lot of the news and that what the Ben Foundation and what Ben Armstrong has in the cards, we're going to see some stuff happen. So actually, if we, honestly, I think Ben right now, if we go to YouTube, he is currently, uploading. He likes to upload a video. Yeah, 2 minutes ago. Okay, let's see what this man has to say. So we're not gonna play a steak ad. So we'll just
You guys be ready, Ben Nation, be ready. When what gets announced towards the end of this week, as long as things go smoothly, they're gonna send us a final proposal. While we don't have an update on our sponsor, Stake here. Don't forget you can play games with crypto. Easy week it is. The bill benefits the marketing of my platform. What we want is, we want partners that are going to provide real, actual, tangible benefits to the Ben coin holder community. So the Ben coin holders are...
I'd say I've done that. So if you guys have been watching my channel and watching my content, I've definitely made some solid content on Bitcoin and followed this story pretty well. The videos that I've made on that specific topic have been my best performing videos. So yeah, Ben, so you got to have me as a partner. I already filled out the application. So yeah, let's see what else.
Well, we don't have an update on our sponsor, Stake here. Don't forget you can play games with crypto. Trying to get Bitcoin on Stake. Now, it's not going to happen overnight,
Bitcoin
but I
on
can tell you what, we don't
Stake,
have confirmation on this update yet. What I can say is that we have reached out to the company that runs the token management behind Stake. That's who actually we've got to get. They're going to send us a final proposal, and we've got a lot of them in so far, and can't wait to see more. We also have next week going to Dubai. Going to be meeting with several potential advisors for Bitcoin. We're going to be having a big party with BitGet while we're out there. And we're going to be meeting with a few other key players in Dubai and helping us move Bitcoin forward.
So I think I have a good idea of who those key players might be. I think it might be Carl from the Moon. They have a pretty, Ben Armstrong and Carl have a good relationship with each other. And, it's really, I'd love to tell you guys, I have some interesting, cool news that I want to tell you guys, just been making some moves in the background, and I can't wait to, make some announcements, that just give you some hints. Just, yeah, I can't wait. But yeah, so this is cool news. So, yeah, definitely go check out Ben's video. Check out other, I'll have to watch the whole thing, but yeah, you just got some snippets here live. And yeah, go and join the Discord, go on the link tree. If you feel like you are wanting to be an ambassador or partner, definitely fill out these applications. I'm doing that, and definitely this is a coin to get by if you want crypto to be adopted in the United States. Has to be something that we can use as a catalyst in the movement to prove that we are serious and that we want to have crypto stay, and that we want the United States to be the top market. The United States, when it comes to when we create things and when we really push hard, we're the best in the world. We were the best, best automakers in the world. We have the best, infrastructure and creating things when it comes to the product that America is able to make. And a lot of the we've kind of been stifled out, you know, depending on who is in office and who's running things, and how great we can make America in that aspect. So we have to show that we want to keep our business here, and we do want to play nice with other countries, but honestly, like America, we can produce a lot here, and it would make us stronger as a country. So, you know, that's my opinion on that. And for crypto, something like Bitcoin, you know, joining this kind of movement will help the overall crypto market in general. And we want the crypto market to pump, don't we? We want Bitcoin to be pump. So let's go, guys. All right, so if we get into the overall market, let's get into the overall market and go into some bubbles here and see what is happening. Okay, so on the hourly, we got the whole market up a good 1.5%, 2%, and Bitcoin is sitting at 26,000. I think it finally did it. Okay, see, we had on the hourly. Let's see on the daily. Okay, got as high as 26.3. Okay. So highs 26.3, lowest 25.96, or actually as low as 25.7. And so if we were looking at the chart on CoinMarketCap trading view here, I pointed out that we were in a cup and handle formation, and that was on the weekly chart, I believe. So you can see here, we're kind of in still that formation here. We have that right here, and then we have that clear, still going down a little bit, and then we're thinking, you know, measuring here. We measure that same movement here, where we had, and this was in July 2021, where we had a pump from here all the way up to, I mean, we had 130% pump from July 2021, July 19th, 2021 to November, and just a huge move. So if we see that same move, but if we just cut that in half, we take that, we put that here, we could see Bitcoin going in the ranges of 40,000. I mean, that's a lot of people's price targets. You know, they're calling for, I mean, that's a big jump. I mean, it's going to take some chopping motion to get there. But as you can see, you know, the movement here from even just on these candles, it moved up 54%, you know. It went up a lot. As you can see here, you know, it didn't take that long. It took from, you know, July 19th to August. So if you think about, you know, what's today's date? You know, we are in, you know, it's June 13th. And if we see that same trajectory time frame and we go into July, we could be seeing something in August right here going to around 35,000. So that's kind of where I'm looking at. I'm looking at that movement here, 35,000, and yeah, that's where I'm looking. I'm looking for that. That's the target. So I feel like it's interesting. You know, I know people are shorting and they're longing because it's such a volatile market. You know, you could probably be doing both of them at the same time, but, you know, it just depends on what your risk management is and, you know, what your strategy is. But I suggest, you know, hey, take advantage of the trading, but also dollar cost average and buy up your projects that you like. And if you can see here, you know, I mean, there's just a lot that you could buy. I mean, still on the weekly, you know, on the weekly, everything's down, you know, 20%. Daily, up only 3. Hourly, just 1. I mean, on the monthly, things are still way down. You know, you could pick things up, snatch things up, see what you can do. All right, well, this is just a quick stream, guys. I hope you had fun. If you're popping in this and you didn't tune in live and you're watching it now and you like what you saw, smash the like, hit the subscribe button, and then watch all my other videos. Hit the like, leave a comment, let me know what you think, and then the next time I do a live stream, I want you in the chat. Let's go. So I want you guys to have a fantastic night. Sleep tight. And I will see you guys in the morning. I think we're going to do a morning stream with some coffee. We're going to drink some coffee together. We're going to talk about some crypto news. And all right, guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye-bye.